How to communicate love and care to unknown people.
Naren.
This is Naren, conquering communication with you all. I was on my plane back home recently and sitting beside a very sweet girl who goes to grade 8 at a school in Kolkata. And guess what she did? The air hostess was coming with food, the food cart, along the pathway on the flight, and she came to our aisle. She asked us, "Hey, what can I serve you?" This girl hands the air hostess a piece of paper. The air hostess sees this piece of paper and is amazed. She starts thanking the girl. She's saying, "You made my day. This is so sweet." And I was wondering what this piece of paper was. Was it a check of like $1 billion or something? But guess what I found out? It was a piece of paper, a white piece of paper, with the air hostess's name calligraphied with beautiful colors. And I was like, wow, this is so unique. Guess what? It didn't stop there. The girl had made sure to hear all the crew members and the captain's name and had written this in beautiful calligraphy and had distributed it to the air hostess. This really showed love and care. The fact that she paid attention to all their names, going above and beyond. And number two, she wrote down, took the effort with her pen and showed a gesture that she really cares about them. It was a beautiful, beautiful story and a sight to watch, and it inspired me. How can we show love and care to people we are yet to know and people who are unknown? Much love. I'll see you guys in my next video.